Radish dissolves bad cholesterol. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Sath Harigiri Shri Shiva Saith Hagal. 1. Repair the kidney. 2. Controls high blood pressure. 3. Removing waste from the body. 4. People with hemorrhoids need to eat. 5. Prevent cancer cells from developing. 6. Break up bad cholesterol. 7. Add water bodies to the body. 8. Arthritis reduces inflammation. Good for teeth. 9. By removing the bilirubin in the blood, it helps to cure jaundice. 10. Excrement in the stool and cleans the intestine. 11. Asthma, breathing problems, throat burning, infection, and allergy. 12. Cigarette helps to repair the lungs affected. 13. Help reduce body weight. 14. Vitamin C increases resistance power.